Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and we have yet another 62. This is a two-door sport coupe. Someone has added the SS emblems on the back. It's not a true SS. This car was born a turquoise paint exterior and a turquoise interior, but someone's opted to paint it this beautiful green color. There's blue buckets in the car and a black dash, so kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. This car did run when we bought it, so won't be doing a will it run video today, but we will be doing a first drive because this car has not seen the road in, well, there's no tag, I think 15 years is what the guy said. I love this color. I've never seen it before. I do believe this is a factory color. Again, it's not a true SS car, but it does have the SS dash trim, no grab bar, black interior, factory 4-speed car, not the correct shifter. Pete, could you get the hood for me, buddy? Here, it's right here, bud. All right, let's get the hood open here. It's a 327. It's got a HEI distributor with a nice Ford plug here, whatever makes it work. Aftermarket carb. I'm not sure what the correct term for these are, but they're cool. So we're going to drive this thing around the farm here with no brakes, and yeah, just first drive in 15 years.
Throttle return spring in there real quick. Off of that. Off the 75.
Try it again. Crank it. Damn, this thing runs good.
She is mint.
Hold on.
What?
We got
the battery start, bro?
Well, he's just backing up a little bit, and we can restart it and come back forward.
Runs awesome.
60 pounds oil pressure.
Yeah, 60 pounds. Throw a piece of carpet on there and good as new.
All right. No brakes. No brakes, dude.
We got our safe set up. That's going nowhere. First drive in how many years?
I put it at easy 30.
One tiny little baby pipe there.
All right, let's go for a ride. No brakes, fuel system on the hood. What could go wrong?
An unbolted seat is kind of a problem. And we got no brakes, I forgot.
Yeah, we got one seat bolt. First day driving? Well, we learned the battery's dead, and when you have Spillner over here, doesn't want to drive a stick, then kills the battery, and we are now waiting on a jump pack.
Out in a farm field.
Out in a farm field. Oh my God.
Here comes the cavalry.
He's so majestic. Well, let's jump the old girl. 76 Buick, that's not stock. What is it, LS6? Thanks, Marshall, coming to rescue us.
You're running.
Don't kill it this time.
No. I can't hear and I have no RPM gauge. Turn your car off. Get the R's up, Ryan.
What a good looking car. Well, we turned too sharp and the gas tank slid, but that little piece of trim saved us. So there you go, everyone. First run and drive in a long time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like rating, comment, any thoughts, questions, concerns. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you all for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I will catch you next time.